this group's of everybody. They love this screen that you're getting in the middle down there. I know we've got slight technical error. One vulture has fallen off. It'll be okay. As they continue to do this, they get more and more tired. That's cheating. As they get more and more tired, they get lower and lower. Children, would you like to stop there? Or would you like to keep going for a little bit longer? Keep going, just for you girls in the middle, let's keep going. That's cheating. You can't walk. You know, fly. Millions of years of evolution have given you wings. Okay, can't be bothered. Give me I don't want to do it anymore.
You ready?
I almost still amazing flying now. We need this group back for every display. Every display that we do, we need you girls back. Right. Okay.